What a beautiful day this. Now I finally got The Adventures of Skimper on DVD. Now I can finally watch it. Don't watch it. Wait, what? Just don't watch it. It has a skill. Yes. Let's look at future for feminist TV. Or maybe another logo. I don't know. Just go trust me. Are you kidding me? It's a ghost in a joy. And you told me there's a scary Future for Families DVD. But I can't. Just watch and see. Okay. Okay then, I'm gonna put the DVD in. Still I'm gonna watch it. Yo, that be up there warning screen. Okay, so what? What's DVD at? Like that. Maybe so. Wait, what's this? Oh no, that can't be. No, not the future of good families. Told you.